Hello and welcome to my channel TechNet Solutions. In today's video I will show you how to configure DNS server. Open Server Manager. As you can see, DNS server is already installed during Active Directory installation. Click on Tools menu and select DNS, it will open DNS Configuration console. As you can see in DNS, forward zone is already created and has some dynamic and static DNS entries. Now we will create reverse lookup zone and PTR records for DNS server. Right-click on reverse lookup zone and select New Zone. Click Next to start the New Zone wizard. Select Primary Zone and click Next. Select IPv4 or IPv6 zone and click Next. Input network ID related to the zone and click Next. Now select first option and click Next. Now click Finish to complete the New Zone wizard. Next, create PTR record of DNS server. Now restart DNS service. Now we will create a static DNS entry to verify DNS server. Right-click on Forward Zone and select New Host. Enter the name and IP address of the host. Now open command prompt and launch NSLOOKUP. Now DNS query the host name and see the result. The host name is successfully resolved to an IP address. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the videos. If you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe now. And press the bell icon to receive the new videos notifications.